Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Movies Edge application and switch it to the settings section, then click to the always on display and just to here on the right upper corner click on the switcher, and now all of the options they are blocked as we can see, and let's just lock the device. And now, sorry. And now we can see that the always on display feature is successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.